Welcome. In today's video, we're going to cover how to safely handle and apply our Twin Jet Y adhesive. We will cover how to prepare the Twin Jet Y adhesive canister and the two different application methods, spatter pattern and beaded pattern. When handling the Twin Jet Y adhesive canisters, the two main rules are simple. Keep the canister in the box and keep it upright. Keeping it in the box stabilizes the product. Even when moving across the roof with wheels or ramps, it's important that the canister stays upright. Keeping it upright ensures proper flow through the pickup tube and out the gun. It also helps keep the canister at a safe temperature. Pressurized canisters can explode if they exceed 110 degrees. The box protects from heat and cold. It provides shade on hot days and insulation on cold days, while preventing direct contact with metal decking. Before applying, confirm ambient temperatures are between 30 degrees Fahrenheit and 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and ensure the canister is within an ideal storage temperature range of 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. If conditions are cold, use a warming blanket designed for canisters to bring it into range. Do not use heating tape. Keeping the canister at the proper temperature helps maintain consistent pressure and ensures an even spray pattern. First, shake the canister for 1 to 3 minutes to mix the product. Then attach the hoses blue to blue. Open the valves fully. Flow is controlled by the gun, not the valves. If there is crystallization around the valve, gently use pliers to open it, avoiding damage to the valve ears. Always apply O-ring lubricant before connecting the tip to prevent leaks. We recommend having multiple pre-lubed tips ready in your pocket to replace as needed, because adhesive left in a tip for too long can start to set. Twin Jet Y adhesive canisters have static mixing tips that blend part A and B as it exits. The temperature indicator tips change color if ambient conditions drop below 60 degrees Fahrenheit. However, this does not reflect the canister's actual temperature. If the tip is blue, it indicates that conditions are too cold to apply the adhesive. Also know that extension tubes are included and allow you to spray upright without bending. Before spraying, purge the gun into a bucket to confirm flow and remove air. Without the mixer tip, the material won't cure properly. With the tip, the components are blended and ready to apply. Flow is regulated by the gun trigger. Pull lightly for less flow, further back for more. As the canister empties, you may need to pull the trigger further. Do not adjust flow using the canister valves. Now you are ready to start applying. Twin Jet Y has two application methods, spatter and beaded. When using spatter application, spatter coverage should be 60 to 70%, enough to cover the area without oversaturating. Keep clean lines to make the next row easier to install. When using beaded application, specific project requirements may call for alternate applications to achieve specific performance requirements. Beads may be applied at different rates based on the roof zone. Corners, 4 inches on center. Perimeter or edges, 6 inches on center. Field, 12 inches on center. Also, place beads about 6 inches from the roof edge. Use guides or markings for accuracy. And there you have it. You now know how to safely handle and apply our Twin Jet Y adhesive, how to properly prepare the canister, and the two different application methods. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your local Elevate sales representative or visit our website for more information.